Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check your Squarespace subscription plan. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are a Squarespace user, you know how important it is to stay on top of your website's needs. Now, whether you're looking to upgrade, downgrade, or simply get a better understanding of what features you have access to, knowing your plan is essential. Alright, so from here, once you are logged into your account, now I want you to click on exit once you are inside the website builder. Instead, click the profile icon on the bottom left corner because it will take you to your account dashboard. Alright, so for example, in this case, you might want to click on the three dots icon here because this will direct you to the billing. Now, the billing has a feature that says subscriptions, wherein you can manage your subscription plans. Right now, I don't have any because I am using the free trial, which reminds me that it'll expire on October 9th. If I wanted to subscribe, alright, so I'm gonna click on this button right here, which will forward me to select a plan. Alright, so these are gonna be the plans that you wanted. For example, if you have the personal, which is gonna be $16, that's your plan, which you have all these perks and benefits. Alright, you get all of these. If you have the business, which is going to be $23 per month, you can have this. The commerce basic, which is $28, and the commerce advanced, which is going to be $52. For example, I have upgraded to the plan of the $25 per month, and I'm going to select the confirm selection. Now, all I have to do is put in the information here, and of course, save and continue, and that is going to be the plan that I have, all right? And again, just hover to the billing. I'm going to leave it for now, and just go to the plans, all right? So these are going to be the plans that you can choose from: personal, business, commerce basic, and commerce advanced. All right, but again, if you're still having problems accessing your subscription plan here on Squarespace, you might want to contact the Squarespace customer support, and from here you might select the contact support, tell them you're having problems accessing your subscription plans. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.